Bara, Sobi, Hamza, say hello
To who?
to anybody who's watching the video.
Hello. What video? Hello.
This one, I'm filming now.
What video?
This one you're looking at now. YouTube. We call it the gang did
On the forest.
hiking through the forest.
Something bit me on my forehead.
Yeah, it was a flying dinosaur, I think.
Very funny.
There's a duck or a bird or something in the middle of the path, right down there. Look, guys. Sitting in the middle of the path. Can you see the bird? Oh, it's a stick. Oh, I thought it was a bird. Actually, looks just like a bird.
Yeah, Dad, it's a giant dragon.
I thought it was a bird then. See that big pile of wood there, guys?
Whoa!
Oh, look.
That's it?
Mm.
Can I switch camera to look at myself?
Oh, I'm filming a video right now. Let me just get to the bottom there and I'll switch it off.
You never actually hurt me a bit. Not too much, but it's just like a little sting. You know?
Oh, probably a fly hit you. That's all.
Fly hit me.
Was pretty jungly to me.